Here are some everyday scenarios illustrating how unmet expectations lead to frustration. The friendship test. A friend expects regular support. Lack of it leads to feelings of disappointment. The warm welcome. A husband anticipates a warm greeting after work. If his wife is distracted, he feels emotionally distant. A wife expects her husband to help with household chores. When he doesn't, she feels angry, interpreting his inaction as a lack of respect. The parenting puzzle. A parent expects their child to do homework on their own. Delays or resistance spark frustration. Now, let's dive deep into managing relationships and how understanding and addressing unmet expectations can transform our interactions. How to do it. Regularly share your needs and expectations with your partner, friend, or colleague. Ask for their needs and preferences in return to avoid assumptions. Communicating clearly why it matters. Misunderstandings often arise from unspoken expectations. Open and honest communication helps ensure that both partners or parties are on the same page. Unrealistic expectations can set up both parties for disappointment. Setting achievable and fair expectations fosters a healthier relationship. Consider each person's capacities and circumstances. Discuss and agree on what is reasonable for both sides, and be willing to adjust as needed. Understanding the other person's perspective helps mitigate anger and frustration. It helps to see why someone might not meet your expectations and respond. Put yourself in the other person's shoes. Ask about their challenges and constraints, and acknowledge their feelings and efforts. Rigidity in expectations can lead to conflicts. Being flexible and willing to compromise helps in finding common ground and resolving disagreements. Be open to adjusting your expectations based on new information or circumstances. Work together to find solutions that satisfy both parties. Continuous dialogue about expectations and satisfaction levels prevents issues from festering and growing into larger problems. Schedule regular discussions to review and adjust expectations, address any concerns, and celebrate achievements or improvements. Ignoring or delaying discussions about unmet expectations can lead to bigger conflicts. Addressing issues early prevents escalation and maintains harmony. When you notice an expectation not being met, approach the conversation calmly and constructively. Focus on finding solutions, Rathi. Continuous dialogue about expectations and satisfaction levels prevents issues from festering and growing into larger problems. Schedule regular discussions to review and adjust expectations, address any concerns, and celebrate achievements or improvements. Respecting each other's roles, contributions, and boundaries creates a supportive and collaborative environment. Acknowledge each other's efforts and achievements. Show appreciation and respect for the other person's perspective and contributions.